This is a very sweet, desserty drink. The vinegar really shines through, complemented by the desserty pepper. The gin and vermouth just kind of blend into the background, and the maple syrup really functions just to sweeten the vinegar. It's actually, much like the original version, it's very reminiscent of a drink called Switchel, which is something that I am a fan of, and this was very enjoyable. It's a drink that calls for originally yak butters, and I kind of don't really know how you would work it into the drink. I personally kind of overshook it a little, just kind of because of the circumstances of who was making the drink originally. Yeah.
This is the peace train. It is gin, vermouth, vinegar, peppercorn, a little maple syrup, and some yak butter.
Yak butter?
Hard to find an Evergreen, so I'd use normal butter, but here we do.
Try it. Or don't.